This week we've been taking a look at some of the lowest price budget TWS earphones off the TEMU website. We have made a full compiled video of 6 of the lowest price earphones. That video is live just now on our channel, but again today we've got the WOSD Ultra Pods Max. Ooh, nice, stunning, or whatever they're bloody called elsewhere. They retail as low as £3.77. We got them for £2.69. Again, we get a simple box, simplistic packaging like most of them, but I'd say that the charge case in this blue colour tone looks a lot smaller than the images depicted on the TEMU website. They do have a few other colour choices to choose from, but if you look close at the earphones, they do contour to the shape of the charge case, with both of them situated to the top left and right corners. The earphones are strongly magnetically pulled in, and as you can see we get a super bright digital display to the front of the charge case, the remaining charge case battery percentage level, and the left and right earphone indicators, and once again, nope, it doesn't indicate the earphone battery levels, so don't be misconstrued, alright? Now the case is certainly light, it's compact as hell, and it only takes 1 hour 3 minutes to fully charge it from flat, allowing you to charge the earphones in around about 1 hour 4 minutes, with just over 2 full additional recharges while you're on the go of the earphones. Now I have indeed dropped this case once or twice, but lucky for us that transparent casing hasn't cracked one bit, no. I can imagine though that over time, this won't be the same situation. Now these UltraPods do have Bluetooth 5.3 chips built in, or so we are led to believe. The earphones themselves though, even though they look quite ergonomic, they in fact don't really contour to the inner side of your ears, no. And you do indeed have to position them well in order for them not to fall out, and they are quite suitable for 2 hour plus use. Sound seal, again, there really isn't any, no ANC, and I don't know if it's down to the transparent coating on the outer shell of the earphones, but we did notice that a lot of the audio was being released when music is indeed playing. So yeah, everyone can hear the music you're playing within your vicinity, and partly this is because the audio is also loud too. Max volume will simply silence the outside world when blasting out songs, and with these UltraPods, unlike the rest of them, you do feel more energy. Bass, I wouldn't say it's tremendous, it's just above slightly average, but the treble is nice and high, real clear, and when it comes to the mid-levels, I would say that they're slightly overpowering though. So when you're listening to classic ballads like Mariah Carey, you do really feel the energy in her voice, but what you do also feel is the unbalance of the sibilance at max volume. Now this is not so apparent when the volume is dropped to around about 90 to 80%, and while using these earphones, we didn't have any type of disconnection issues whatsoever, reaching up to 50 feet before that transmission was terminated. But regarding the touch functionalities, well, again, they do have our preferred setup, but once again, the track selections from the right ear and the volume selections on the right ear are the opposite way. So again, you're pressing twice on the right earphone to skip back a track rather than pressing the right earphone to skip forward a track and so forth. So you got 1 press for play, pause, call, answering, 2 presses on the right earphone for the previous track selection, 2 presses on the left earphone for the next track selection, 3 presses on the right earphone for the volume down, 3 presses on the left earphone for the volume up, and you got a 2-second hold on either earphone for the voice assist option. What's the weather like in Dubai today?
In Dubai, United Arab Emirates, it's 37 degrees Celsius with clear skies and sun.
Whew, that's hot. Mic quality, well, this is probably the best.
So, okay. So when it comes to these earphones and the mic quality, well, as you can tell on this video recording just now, my voice pickup is nice, crisp and clear. It doesn't seem to be much at all any type of latency issues. And yeah, my voice sounds very upfront, and that's exactly the same when it comes to voice calls too. All around, very good microphones, and probably the best microphones on these sets of earphones that we're testing this week.
Usage time, we got 2 hours 40 minutes. So with 2 additional recharges using that charge case, the earphones should be good to use for at least half of your work shift. But we're once again going to quickly rate these. For design, they are nice, they have a joyful look, they have a difference but a bit teenish. So for design, we're going to give them a 6 out of 10. Functionality, a 5 out of 10. Audio, nice, loud, energizing, just a tad bit overpowering. 7 out of 10. Microphone quality, again, we're going to give it another 7 out of 10. For the fact that they've got as good mics as they are for that price range, it's real good to see. The usage time, we're going to give 5 out of 10. With our overall score for these WOSD Ultra Pods Max, coming in with our final score of 6 out of 10. Now, if you want to check these earphones out for yourself, I've left a link in the video description down below. I'm not affiliated in any type of way, you're free to take a look. But while you're in that video description, guys, please like and share this video quickly, wherever possible. Subscribe to this channel just now, making sure to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our very next upload. Now, speaking of uploads and previous reviews, there's one showing on screen just now. Here's that TEMU haul. How about that one? Give it a play. It's quite a long video though. About 30 minutes. Or, if you want to watch a shorter one, what about this one? Come on, give it a click. Oh, you're still here? Do good, huh? Oh well, subscribe and stay notified for our very next one in a bit. Peace.